Hello, friends. Today we will take a look at Lunaproxy, a service that offers high-quality proxy servers for various needs. If you want to enhance your anonymity online or bypass geographical restrictions, stay with us. Lunaproxy offers several pricing plans suitable for both individual users and businesses. Let's take a closer look at their offerings. Starter plan. For just $10 a month, you get access to 10 proxy servers. This is a great option for those who are just starting to use proxies. Basic plan. For $25 a month, you receive 50 proxy servers and the ability to choose from various locations. This is the ideal option for small companies or active users. Premium plan. For $50 a month, you get 100 proxy servers with priority support and higher connection speeds. This is an excellent choice for those who demand maximum performance. One of the main advantages of Lunaproxy is the high connection speed. The service offers speeds of up to 1 gigabit per second, allowing you to stream videos in high quality or download large files without any issues. With over 1,000 proxy servers located in different countries, you have the flexibility to choose the one that best suits your needs. Security is another important aspect. Lunaproxy uses modern encryption technologies to ensure the protection of your data. You can be confident that your personal information will remain secure and your online activity will stay anonymous. It's also worth noting that Lunaproxy offers 24/7 customer support. If you have any questions or issues, you can always reach out to their support team and they will assist you promptly. In conclusion, if you are looking for a reliable and affordable proxy service, Lunaproxy is an excellent choice. With their competitive pricing, high speeds, and dependable support, you won't regret your decision. Be sure to check out their website via the link in the description to learn more and choose the right plan for you.